Now look left, powerful elegance of Hawker Sea Fury. Well, the Sea Fury, carrier-borne fighter bomber, was the Fleet Air Arm's last piston-engined fighter, actually developed during the Second World War, but it did not see service with the Fleet Air Arm until after the war. I think arguably the fastest piston-engined aircraft ever built.
Blue lorry.
The Sea Fury is part of an amazing generation of aircraft, which includes some of the most famous of all time, the Hurricane, through the Typhoon and Tempest, then on to the Harrier, and yes, of course, the Hunter as well. This aircraft is powered by an enormous Bristol Centaurus 18-cylinder engine rated at 2,500 horsepower. If you compare that to the early Merlin engines that powered the early Marks of Spitfire, those engines were rated just about 1,000 horsepower, so 2.5 times the power of the early Spitfire in this aircraft. A big engine demands a big propeller. The propeller on the Sea Fury, 5-bladed, 12 foot in diameter, weighs over half a ton.